Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, so we're here at the Alta Magnolia. We've just actually finished our tour, but I wanted to highlight something that's nearby. I kind of mentioned it earlier, but we've got this thing here called Chicken and Pickle. What this is, it's basically a restaurant that's got, of course, chicken, and then it's got pickleball courts. So you're right here, where you're just right here at the Alta Magnolia. You walk across the street, and then you're going to the Chicken and Pickle. So what a cool place. You can go there, grab some food, and then play pickleball. It's like the perfect setup. So anyway, a really cool amenity right here for you. Chicken and pickleball. It sounds like a dream. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. And this completes the tour. I hope you've enjoyed this complete tour of the Alta Magnolia. I love this place and I recommend it. Hey, send me a request to do a virtual tour or a live tour. We'll take care of that with our free service always. And now we're on to the next place.